Alexa, play All India Radio.
Air World Service English from TuneIn.
Namaskar. This is the General Overseas Service of All India Radio, welcoming listeners in East, West and Northwest Africa, West Europe and the United Kingdom. For listeners in East Africa, we are beaming this service on 11,935 kHz and 13,695 kHz. Our West and Northwest African listeners can tune in to us on 9,445 kHz and 7,550 kHz on DRM mode. Listeners in West Europe and the United Kingdom can listen to us on 7,550 kHz on DRM mode, 9,445 kHz, 9,950 kHz and 11,670 kHz. You can also tune in to our website www.airworldservice.org/English.
You have to dream before your dreams can come true, says Maulana Abul Kalam Azad.
Here is a roundup of the program scheduled for this transmission. We bring you commentary at 18:10 hours UTC, followed by a program on cricket, Stumped, at 18:30 hours UTC. Our music selection will include devotional music, light music, and a program featuring latest Hindi film songs, Melange.